Hello students, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School. This is your class 1 English grammar class. Today we are going to do lesson number 4 Sounds of Animals. So dear students, let's learn the sounds. I am a wolf, I make sound howl. I am an owl, I make sound hoot. I am a sheep, I make sound bleat. I am a peacock, I make sound scream. I am a pigeon, I make sound coo. I am an elephant, I make a sound trumpet. I am a dog, I make sound bark. I am a cow, I make sound moo. I am a horse, I make sound neigh. I am a frog, I make a sound croak. I am a camel, I make a sound grunt. I am a lion, I make a sound roar. Dear students, I hope all of you have learned the sounds. So this is all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.